Assalamualaikum everyone, welcome back to Mr. TechFox. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can disable GitHub Copilot autocode suggestions in VS Code. If it helps, please consider subscribing to this channel. So first of all, let me show you the problem. So here, if I want to print the output, here you will see that it is suggesting code. That means it's an auto suggestion. So we are going to fix it. So first of all, click on the bottom left corner's gear icon. Here it is. And then choose settings. And here you have to type automatically inline. So if you search it by pressing enter, you will get an option here. Editor inline suggest enabled. Just uncheck this box. And now if I go to our code, here you can see that everything has been disabled and there's no auto suggestion. So that's all about today's video. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.